Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Hang on to your popcorn, we've got a good one. It's a 2026 Jayco Eagle HT, model number 320 MKTS. So let's get started. The length on this Eagle is 36 feet 8 inches. The dry weight is 9,280 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,190. With a GVWR of 11,500 pounds. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So I think that half-ton Chevy Love, or that half-ton,
yeah,
I don't think we can do it.
I know we're going to have some good old boys that say, hey, my truck can pull it, maybe, but always check your numbers. Make sure that you're pulling safely. All right, we're going to start right here at the front on this one. This is going to have a power tongue jack. Your propane bottles are going to go under that cover, and of course your batteries will mount right back there. Now, this side of your pass-through storage, here's your connections. Your pull handles are going to be on the inside. You already have a water filtration system in place. Your leveling system.
Leveling system, yes.
Yes, yes.
I turned that switch on, I don't know what I did. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's got the little...
So you do...
Got the lights.
So you do have a power tongue jack and a leveling system. Ah.
Well, it's just like that one we demoed that time.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
So you are going to have 2 rack and pinion slides on this side of your camper.
Wow. Sorry. These Eagles are...
Yeah. We do like Eagles quite a bit. So you're going to have some storage right here. This is actually going to be underneath your bed area. I like that it is separate from the inside. For some reason, I always think that somebody's going to crawl through and get under the bed. I don't know.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. And it is white so that it blends in with the side. You have a dump area right here, right between your 2 slides. Pretty darn easy to get to.
You have
sewer caddy.
Sewer caddy and your spare. Yes, all under there.
Not real sure how easy that spare is going to be to get to, but it's under there out of the way.
Hey, now this is pretty cool. You got the pull handles over here, but you also have the backup right here also.
Yes, to prevent those unpleasant surprises.
We've never had one of those, thank goodness.
Not yet, thank goodness. Whew. All right, you got your Jayco symbol right there. Super nice. This is going to have a ladder, obviously, to access your roof.
Yeah, we got some solar up here.
Okay.
I see 1 panel, so it may be 200?
Probably.
Yeah.
It is also going to be prepped for slide toppers. All right, don't fall off and break anything. You are going to have a receiver hitch back here for an accessory rack, not for towing. Your propane quick connect right there. Now Jayco does have their J-port system for grills, so it'll go in there. They give you a light. Not really sure where that light goes.
I think it's on the bottom. I don't sure.
Huh. Okay. Well, you do have a light.
It's up there.
Ah, it's up there. Yes. When all else fails, look up. Of course. Now the slide here on the front is going to be a cable-driven slide. This is the exact slide. So for those of you keeping up with cable-driven slides, the exact slides are the good ones. All right.
19 feet on this awning.
19-foot awning. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at this side of your pass-through storage. Ooh, yeah, you do see that you have some hookups here. And
oh wow, your radio system?
Yeah, radio system. You can bring a TV out here. It's all ready to go.
And I do like where Jayco puts the outside speakers.
Yes, I do. Down where you're not blasting your poor neighbors.
We have been there.
Even though if you're listening to some great 80s hair bands, everybody needs to listen to that. All right, let's go inside. Take a look.
Now, we have seen this floor plan in another Jayco.
We have. I believe it was a J Feather.
J Feather, yeah.
So we're going to show you this one in the Eagle version. For those who may not know, the Eagle travel trailer is Jayco's top travel trailer. So hey, while you're there playing with the buttons, we'll just start here.
How mercy.
Yeah, sorry, I still got on my big fluffy coat because it's still a little cool here. Anyway, you've got this nice big TV. It looks like a 50-inch.
Well, I'm just going to find out real quick.
I haven't guessed lately.
You haven't guessed lately. Yes, ma'am, it is 50.
All right. Yeah, so, and it's on a televator, so if you don't need it, you can put it down, and that gives you some prep space over there. Right above an electric fireplace, which is super nice. Button right there, and I'm going to tell you, that's probably one of the fastest televators that we have seen.
Yes.
That is just amazing. And it just
And
closes
it's out of
like
the way.
that.
And then if you don't need the TV, you got the nice window. Wow.
With the blackout shade.
Blackout shades.
Yeah, so you have another radio control inside. Got some power over there. Moving on into the kitchen. Storage, tall, skinny storage. That's going to be great for baking sheets, pizza stones, things like that. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. Nice big microwave. Wow.
Yeah.
And right next to this, we have some more skinny storage. Let's see.
Skinny storage.
It is skinny storage. Okay.
You're for a loss of words?
I'm a little bit at a loss for words because
That can be a little tight of a pantry, but
you can get canned goods in there. Okay, I'm just going to have to say it, Jayco. I think you messed up on that one. I'm not a fan of that, but hey, everybody watching, tell us what you think of the little skinny storage.
and what would you put in there? Canned goods?
Cereal boxes would fit in there. That's, yeah, and your little Debbie snack cakes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's pretty narrow. Okay, 12-volt compressor fridge. Wonderful, right there. Yep.
Okay.
Here you have the island. This is all going to be solid surface. I
Yes.
didn't even point that out around the stove, but it is solid surface. You do have a plug-in down here. Now, this being an Eagle, your heating is going to be in the cabinetry, not in the floor. So they give you some drawers over here on this side.
That's nice under the sink.
Yeah, nice storage under here. And perfect spot there for a garbage. Nice big sink. I actually love the black stainless finish. So this is what we like to call the swanky sink. You've got your cup, dishwasher, glass washer, soap dispenser, high-rise faucet. I'm just pointing all over the place like y'all can see me. I'm so sorry. And at the very back, you have got storage across the top. Now this right here is going to make up for this little skinny storage. So I have to say that this is probably going to work a lot better for a pantry than that little skinny area did. Give you some more drawers right here, so this can be storage. You can use this as a desk area. I guess you could, if you were really wanted to, use this as a taco bar. If you want to sit there and look out the back, it could be your breakfast bar. So yeah, this is a very good multi-purpose area. They give you 2 towers of power back there, so you can plug all your stuff in.
Well, I'm just going to tell you, I can work on YouTube videos right here.
Yeah, again, so this could be your desk, could be a prep area.
I like this.
And you have this monstrous window back here, so
And
great
I
view.
have the shade all the way open there.
Once again, we have a great view of the interstate, but and a field, which is very muddy today. Look at that.
Okay.
All right.
Let me put it down. So
I know everybody wants to see a field.
You're getting distracted, aren't you?
I am. All right, here on your big slide in the living area, you're going to have a table. I've got a storage bench on one side and just regular chairs on the other. Again,
yeah.
I love the storage bench because you can slide it out, move it around. Got this neat table. It's got storage underneath. Little quick story. We had a winter storm a week or so ago, and I thought I would be really smart and get us a 1,000-piece puzzle to put together. For one thing, I didn't think about us trying to put it together in the dark. Couldn't see. Another thing, it was really hard. And the third thing is, there were pieces missing straight out of the box. Mwah. Okay. That was a free story for the day. You have another great big window over here. Your theater seating. This is actually going to give you fabric instead of the weird pleather stuff. So it's going to be much warmer to sit on. Storage here, and there's actually already remotes in it. I love Jayco gives you these little tables. They just slide down in the cup holder so you can have a snack, you can work on your laptop, or you can take them out and store them if you don't need them. Now, when you have a seat, this is going to put you right in front of your televator. So, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. And guys, look at all your floor space in here. So, you have really great space in here. Really quick, this is being Jayco, and this is an Eagle, so they are going to give you the whisper quiet air conditioning in here. So you've got your small vents instead of the great big air conditioning unit. Coming down the hall, I'm going to show you this door right here for the bathroom. You've got a towel bar already in place, and your tissue holder is already mounted. I love that they give you a doorknob with a lock on it. That is great. All right. Nice shower. Yeah, you got lots of headroom in this one. So, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Wow, you could be like 6'5".
Yeah.
And do okay in this one. So, yeah. Now there is quite a bit of a
Quite
step up in it, but that's okay. They give you a porcelain foot flush toilet right there.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you are going to have a mirrored medicine cabinet. Really nice area around your sink. It's not going to be solid surface in here, but you've got some great storage underneath it and a drawer down there at the bottom.
Okay.
Let's see what all we got over here. Got your light switches, your water heater control, and a plug-in.
I like it. You showed a light switch, but you were looking down here. You never showed a light switch.
Oh.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, now I'm happy.
So hard to find good help.
Towel ring.
You do have a towel ring already in place. And you do have a dedicated linen area. So yes, this one does get
the golden plunger.
The golden plunger.
That's right.
Now this space is going to be shared with the bathrooms, with the bedroom. So we're going to show you that when we get in there. So just hang on. And speaking of, here we are. Your bedroom slide is going to give you a king size bed, so you've got windows on both sides. We don't have the lights on up there, but there's lights. And then your charging ports are going to be in each corner.
Oh. And
yeah, blackout shades.
Hold on. Yeah, blackout shades.
Mm-hmm. Now, right behind him. Now this is the area that is shared with the bathroom. So this is also prepped for a combo unit. Now just keep in mind that if you do put your combo unit in here, you're going to lose your linen storage from the bathroom. So, it's a give and take situation. Fuses are going to be right below it. You've got a plug-in right there. And
your heating is over here in the floor also.
Oh, it is going to be, no, well it's in the cabinet. But
well, yeah, well, I mean it's at the floor.
At the floor.
Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, underneath the bed.
Yeah.
Is the platform.
Yeah. Oh, goodness.
Yeah, they have some really good struts on this. So, great space. Again, I'm glad that it's not open to the outside. It just makes me feel better. You do have a plug-in over here on this side also.
Oh, wow. Look at this now.
Yeah, so,
gosh.
While he's opening everything, we'll show you, you are going to have a traditional AC unit in here. You can put another TV right up there above that window.
Nice window.
Yeah, nice window. And then you've got 6 drawers in the dresser at the foot of the bed. So really nice size.
You can get all your stuff in there for a weekend?
Maybe. You're going to have a plug-in over here on the end. Again, some more charging port.
And if we change... Oh, wow. There we go.
Yeah, I love that they give you a light in there. So you have this amazing hanging area. which I'm really kind of surprised that they didn't designate that as your washer area, but it's not. So instead you get a huge space there.
I mean, this whole front end is nothing.
And it's mirrored.
Mirrored. I mean, yes.
And so then there's even more storage, shelf, and there's a shelf up above.
Wow.
So great closet in this.
Turn the light off.
Yeah. So
Now, I mean, this closet is fantastic.
yeah, so Eagle did very, very well with that front closet. I really like it. Okay, guys. So, what do you think about this front area up here? How would you guys use that area? That's what we want to know.
That's right. And if you like this Eagle, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.